Hi there! You are about to embark on an exciting journey called lifelong learning. Before we begin, let's talk about what university life is all about. Are you prepared for the challenges that lie ahead? To tackle any challenge, you need to know how to utilize information at your disposal. Remember to keep an open mind, always question, and always stay curious. At university, learning means questioning things with an analytical mind and not giving up until you get to the bottom of the issue. Keep exploring and come up with creative ways to use the information at hand. Analyze and draw connections between ideas and observations. Present supporting arguments so you can come up with innovative viewpoints that add to the value of the topic. From this moment, what you do not only influences your future career, it may even have an impact on the world. What's more, you will have access to a lot of valuable resources, such as research data and statistics, academic journals, as well as all kinds of books that are available to you and many professionals in the field. Many of these valuable information can be very costly or may be made available only to university students. You will also learn about specific research techniques and methods that are related to your field of study. Now, are you ready? Let's get started.